Off your knees, on your toes. Up, up. Bring them back down. Now return. Hold, hold, chop, chop, chop. On your toes, on your toes. You're good. Hold. Hey, 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 Andreas. Off the knees. Up.
All right.
Let's go, let's go.
Forward, stand front foot, forward. Elbow, grab his elbow, grab his elbow.
Up, 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 up.
Pull down, pull down.
Control the hands. Stay low, stay low.
Stand, turn down the front. Forward, forward. Forward, stand.
Move your feet.
Hey, left leg, left leg, left leg.
I see. Sprawl. Stop the head, circle. Get your legs back. Get your legs back. Up, up. Get up, tripod. Get up, up. No, up.
Back to your face, let the legs go. Hey, now stand up, come up, come up.
Fight the hands.
Step up, step up.
Fight the hands. Now come up. Fight the hands again. No, no. T-belly, T-belly. Turn it on. Nothing, nothing.
There you go. Head, your hand.
Head up, head up. Don't go, don't go. Come this way. Good, you're good. Fight the hands. Top.
Put your hands on the front.
Pop the top off. Pop the top. Weave your hand. Pop the top.
Stay flat. Hey, listen to me. Hey, peel the hand. Stay flat, peel the hand. Yo, stay where you are. Peel the hand. Peel the hands first. Peel the hands first. Now worked up. Good, good. Now you're out. Hey.
Sit out. You're up, you're up. Let's go. Keep working, keep working.
Don't
go. Up.
Stop. All right, buddy. Let's go. Come on. Let's pick it up.
Keep it. Up, Andreas. Up. Get away. Up. Fight the hands. Fight the hands. Up. Keep the hands. Keep that hand. Up. Go to your base. Go to your base. Go to your base. On the crawl up. Yup. Keep that. Keep that. Use your elbows. Look away. Look away. Good. Good. Hey, hip ice. Hip ice. Hook shot. Hook shot. Up. Face him. Let's go, Andreas. Let's go, Andreas. He slide up. He slide up.
Step up. Elbow down, head up. Go back to your base.
Get your right knee up. Now build up. Great. Sit out. Finish that. Go to stomach. Up. Head up. Kid. Head up. Work. Let's go. Use your elbow. Use your elbow. The elbow on the way with the hands. Pop the top. Pop the top. Yes. Now work. Up. Up. Hey, you're out. You're out. You're out. Face him. Face him. Good. Again. 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 Build up to your right knee. Build up to your right knee. Now arm and draw backwards. Good. Up, up.